Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel. How to perform an offline clone for 2.5 to 2.5 hard disk. Cloning a drive with the Orico docking station is a straightforward process that doesn't require a computer. Here's a general guide to the steps involved. Instruction for standalone clone. This hard drive dock supports hard drive standalone clone. Without connectivity to a host computer, data could be transferred to another hard drive. Data transfer rate reaches up to 60-80 MB/s. This makes your data safer. Offline clone. Steps 1. Turn the power on. No need to connect the host. 2. Insert the disk that needs to be cloned into the source bay and the disk waits to be cloned into the target bay. 3. Slide the switch to clone mode and press the power button for 5 seconds. Then all indicator lights are on, and hear a long beep, which means the cloning process is started. 4. The indicator light keeps on in sequence during the cloning. 5. 3 long beep sounds will be heard when the clone finishes. Turn the power off and take the disks out. Offline clone notes. 1. The capacity of the target disk must be larger than the source disks. 2. The offline clone will erase all data from the target disk. Please back up the data of the target disk first in case of data loss. 3. The offline clone will erase all data from the target disk. Please make sure the disks are placed correctly. 4. No USB cable is needed. 5. Please don't turn off the power and take the disk out during the cloning. Completion. Once the process is finished, power off the docking station before removing the drives. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.